Hey. So really quickly, I just want to do a really super quick training on how to buy a domain and how to transfer it. Something that is a huge for your business training. And so what you want to do is go to www.namecheap.com. Namecheap.com. You see, I've already been to it quite a few times, but it's namecheap.com. Literally about to buy one right now for our special promotion tonight. So you want to log in. Excuse me, I'm already logged in, and now I'm going to search the domain that I want to buy, the website that I want to buy, right? I want to see if it's available. So I want richfreetrial.com. So I've typed in rich free trial. Now it's giving me some options. It's giving me .london, .com, .net. .com is perfect, £6. Let's add that to cart. That's what I want. Okay, perfect. So what I'm about to do now is go ahead and check out. I'm going to go ahead and check out. Just that quickly, I'm that 2 steps closer to buying my domain. It's got all of these things that are on. Let me see. Okay, we don't need that. I just wanted to see what that was real quick. So it's giving me auto renew. It's enabling some domain privacy. This is fine. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. You want to confirm the order. You definitely want to confirm the order. And then this part, I will really quickly, so that payment details are not shared. So give me 1 second. So what I'm going to do is just pause the share real quickly. Hopefully you should still be able to hear me. But as you just saw, we're going to scroll to the bottom and we're going to check out. I normally use PayPal. I definitely normally use PayPal. I'm doing that now. I'm logging into my PayPal that is already attached to this account, okay? So just really quickly, I'm going to do this part and come back to you so that it's not a long drawn out recording. Perfect. So we've done that. It says, thank you for your purchase. So now if I go to the main page, if I go to my dashboard, you're going to now see all my domains that I've got. So what we're going to do now is connect it to our website. So I just bought richfreetrial.com. Richfreetrial.com. I'm going to manage that. Going to manage that domain. This is how I connect it to where I want it to go to, because right now it doesn't go anywhere. We bought it, but there's no web page attached. I've scrolled down to redirect domain. Redirect domain. Currently, the source is exactly what I've bought, freetrial.com, but the destination, that isn't a real website. In fact, let's test that theory. So richfreetrial.com takes us to absolutely inevitably nowhere. Okay, doesn't have any domain right now. So where do I want to go? I want it to go to one of a page that I've already got set up. Now you guys might already have a link or something that you've already got. So let me just X out of this real quick. Let's find the page that I was on. I think it was this one. I think it was definitely this one. So what I want to do, let me find the name of the site. So rename site, Rich Free Trial. Okay, perfect. So this is actually, let me just do this so that let me put it here. So this is this is basically the website that currently already exists, but I just want it to be a bit more simple. You see, I don't like all this wix.com / all this long stuff. I just want people to make it simple, quick, simple, and easy, straight to the point. So all I did is I copied that. I'm going to paste it here in the destination. Going to paste it here in the destination. So now when you go to richfreetrial.com, the destination is going to be that website. So you don't need to type that in. You just type in richfreetrial.com. What I'm also going to do is put www. Because this is showing that only richfreetrial.com, only richfreetrial.com is going to it's going to navigate there. But I also want people who may put www.richfreetrial.com. I also want them to be navigated there, right? So look at this. It's exactly the same link. I've copied it. Okay. I'm going to give that a couple of moments. And then I'm going to show you exactly what happened. So let's give that 2 minutes. I'm just going to pause this and then we'll resume. Okay, so we've given it 2 minutes. Now let's see if it works. So we're going to go to another browser, another window, and we're going to type in Rich Free Trial. That is the domain that we just bought and transferred.com, right? richfreetrial.com. And as you can see, just like magic, it's transferred to where we wanted it to transfer to. So everybody that puts in richfreetrial.com, now they will go exactly where it was that we intended for them to go. In this case, it is to this amazing registration website, complete with testimonies and the ability for them to connect and take part in the free trial. So I hope that was very, very understandable, short, sharp, and to the point. That was how to buy your domain and how to connect it. So now you can search for domains, as many domains as you want. You know, there's no limit to how many domains you buy, as you will see on my list. Let's go to my domain list. On my dashboard, you'll be able to come to namecheap.com, which will be the house, the home, for all of your domains. So we just bought richfreetrial.com, but we have many. Rich India, we have, you know, Rich Open Day, you know, morenonthemove.com. We have so many. Rich, you know, popupandprofit.com, queensofcrypto.com. These are all will be in your dashboard. Everything here will be owned by you, and you can transfer them. You can change also where it is that you want to transfer them to. So I hope that helps. And I will definitely see you at a higher level, because we are literally in a new season where I want everybody to be basically be able to manage their own business like a business boss and CEO that you are. So thank you for watching, and can't wait to see your domain. Let's go.